friends. Welcome to Sue's Fables Library, where every story comes alive. Ready? Let's begin.
The Helping Hands, a version by Sue's Fables Library. The sun was hot. Shine. In the small town, Old Milo's cart tipped over. Apples rolled everywhere. "Oh dear," he cried. Clara ran forward, her yellow dress fluttering. Her hazel eyes shone. "Don't worry, Old Milo, we'll help you," she said. Benji dashed in too. Patter, patter. He grabbed an apple, then two more, but one slipped. Clunk! He laughed nervously. Milo sighed, bending slowly. His walking stick wobbled. "My old hands aren't strong enough," he whispered. Clara bent low. Swoosh! She picked up apple after apple. 1, 2, 3. "Keep going," she sang. Benji tried stacking apples in his shirt. Roll! They spilled out again. He tumbled back laughing. "I need bigger hands!" A bird fluttered down. Naya the parrot. Flap, flap. "Even small hands can help," she squawked. Her red feathers glowed. The children smiled. Clara passed apples to Benji. Benji passed them to Milo. Milo placed them back in the cart. Step by step. Pass, pass, pass. Still, the cart leaned sideways. Creak! Milo frowned. "The wheel is broken," he said sadly. Clara tapped her chin. "If we all push together, maybe it will stand." Her voice was steady. Benji braced his sneakers against the ground. "Ready?" he shouted. Clara nodded. Milo held his stick tight. 1, 2, 3, they cried. "Heave! Grunt!" The cart rocked, wobbled, then thump, stood tall again. Apples wobbled inside, bump, 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 but none fell out. The children cheered. Milo laughed with shining eyes. Naya the parrot flapped above. "See? Many hands make the load light," she squawked. Milo placed a soft hand on Clara's shoulder. "Kindness is stronger than muscle," he said warmly. He turned to Benji. "And laughter keeps us moving," he added. Benji grinned from ear to ear. The cart rolled forward again. Creak, creak, roll. This time steady, this time strong. Clara and Benji walked beside Milo. The townfolk clapped. Clap, clap, clap. The apples shone bright in the sunlight. Milo smiled. "Thanks to your helping hands, I am not alone." And so the children learned. A small hand may not be strong, but when many hands join, every burden can be lifted. Moral: big or small, every helping hand makes the load lighter.
And so, dear friends, our tale has come to an end. If it touched your heart, give it a like and subscribe to hear many more stories waiting to be told.